Hello everyone, this is Anushri here. I hope everyone is doing good. In this video, we are going to see how we can personalize our Sugar view. Before we log into Sugar instance, as an end user, we have several language options to select from the language link which is present at the bottom of the login page. English will be the default language. Once we select the preferred language, we will be logging into Sugar using our Sugar credentials given by our admin. After login, towards the right top of the screen, there is a user menu. Once we click on it, there will be several options like Profile, Employees, Mobile, Shortcut, About and Logout. To view and edit our profile, we should click on the Profile option that will land us on a viewable profile page containing our personal information such as user profile, advanced, access, downloads. To edit any information, click on Edit button that will take us to the Edit Profile page. In User Profile, we will see username, first name and last name. It is not mandatory to give the first name. We have an avatar option also where we can upload our image. When we scroll down, we can see the email settings where we can see the existing email ID. We can also add an alternative email ID by clicking on the plus option. Next, we will explore the most essential setting, the advanced setting. Here, under user settings, there is an option show full name, which is enabled by default. In case we don't want to show our full name, we can click on it and disable it. There is also an email assignment option that is enabled by default. If we don't want to be notified by the email, just disable it with one click. To get reminders about meetings or calls, there are two options to choose from, which is pop-up and email all invitees. By clicking on pop-up or email all invitees, we can set the time in which we want to pop up to show. For example, if the meeting is scheduled at 11 am, by clicking on 15 minutes option, we will get the pop-up at 10:45 am. Now, moving on to the layout options, we can use it to modify the navigation bar. For example, in display module, if we want reports module to be on top of the navigation bar, just select the report module, click on the left upward arrow. And if we want to hide any of the module, select the respective module and click on the right arrow. If we want to unhide any module, click on the left arrow. To see all these changes, click on Save button. In local settings, we have an option called Date Format, in which we can change the format of the date. Here, the date format representation is in the form of month, date and year. We also have time format where we can choose between 24 hours time format or 12 hours time format. At last, click on Save button to save all the changes. Thank you.